Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making a fast backup of your saves, and the mod pack so nothing is lost. Once done, verify the Minecraft version and exact forge or fabric loader match each mod. Mismatches often break everything. Then launch with logging enabled and open the crash report to capture the error code and stack trace. This gives you clear clues. Use those details to identify which mod or library failed. Keep the game closed until you decide the next fix step. Next, you isolate the culprit using a binary elimination method. Remove half the mods and run the game. If it still crashes, the issue is in that half. Otherwise, it's in the other half. Once narrowed, inspect each mod's dependency list for missing libraries and ensure required APIs are installed. Try updating a suspect mod to the latest compatible build or roll it back if the crash began after an update. This method pinpoints conflicts quickly and avoids guessing at random changes. To finish, reinstall the loader and the problematic mods into a clean profile to eliminate corrupted files. Make sure to clear the game cache between attempts. If a specific mod keeps failing, test it alone in a fresh instance to confirm behavior. Once stable, reintroduce other mods slowly while monitoring logs. If problems persist, copy the relevant crash log lines and report them to the mod author or a community forum. That targeted data usually yields the fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.